Hey guys, I had to get a little hype before this video
because I was very sad.
This is the time, this is the date. So today is my first day of the 7-day vegan challenge, baby. Apparently this challenge is supposed to solve all your problems. So I would say the first problem that I have is I've been really sad, like crying and so hopefully it solves my heartbreak. Define vegan.
Vegan, a person who does not eat or use animal products.
That's it. I thought it was going to be a longer definition. What is considered animal byproduct?
According to Wikipedia, examples are fat, flesh, blood, milk, eggs, and lesser-known products such as isinglass and rennet.
No, I need to know what isinglass is.
Isinglass, a kind of gelatin obtained from fish, especially sturgeon, and used in making jellies, glue, etc., and for clarifying ale.
What's rennet?
Rennet, curdled milk from the stomach of an unweaned calf, containing rennet and used in curdling milk for cheese.
So I believe the proper way to start the 7-day vegan diet is to watch some documentaries on the Netflix. I'm gonna watch some videos, take you shopping with me because I need some vegan food in my life. So. V-E-G. Woo! In my kitchen. My dogs are outside. So I woke up today at 1:29, lost 0.4 pounds on this diet. This is the time, this is the day 2. Let's get this vegan stuff on. I should have washed that spinach, it tasted like dirt. Hey guys, so I didn't want to lie to you and say like, oh, 7-day vegan challenge, baby. Yeah, I solved all my problems being vegan for 7 days. Actually, I kind of messed up. Today is day 3. Today I woke up at 1:28 and I messed up, you guys. And I want some credibility on here. So I'm going to stop and restart this video another time, but maybe I'll post this as like a fail. But then at that point you're gonna know like, oh, okay, she has an actual vegan challenge, baby, coming up. So I'm sorry, you guys, I have to end the video here because I do not want to be that person that lies to people on YouTube. So